In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a WooCommerce Product List View in WordPress. A product list view is a clean, table-style layout that shows many items at once with key details like the image, name, price, and an Add to Cart button. It's great for shoppers who want to compare products quickly and for stores with larger catalogs. First, open your WooCommerce-powered WordPress website and sign into your admin dashboard. From here, you'll head to the place where all site extensions live. Go to the Plugins section, then open the area where you can add new plugins. This is where you'll find tools that can switch your default grid layout into a streamlined list. In the search field, type Product Table. You're looking for a plugin that's designed specifically for WooCommerce and mentions WooCommerce Product Table or Product Table for WooCommerce in its description. Take a quick moment to check the star rating, active installs, and the last update date so you pick something reliable and well-maintained. When you've found a suitable option, click Install, and once that finishes, click Activate. Activation turns the plugin on and makes its features available in your dashboard. After activation, explore the plugin. Most product table plugins add a settings page either under WooCommerce or under their own menu. Open that settings page and review the options. You'll typically be able to choose which columns appear in the list, such as image, name, price, stock status, SKU, ratings, and Add to Cart. You can also fine-tune sorting behavior, enable a search box, add category or attribute filters, and control how many products appear per page. If you sell variable products, look for an option to display variations or a drop-down selector directly in the table so customers can choose options without leaving the list. Many plugins provide clear guidance on how the list view appears, often through a settings toggle, a shortcode you can copy, or a block you can add in the editor. Follow the on-screen instructions within the plugin to apply the list view where you want it. When you're done, preview your store to make sure everything looks consistent, the Add to Cart buttons work, and the table is responsive on mobile. If you use caching, clear your cache so changes show immediately. That's it. By opening your site, finding a product table plugin, installing and activating it, and exploring its settings, you can quickly create a professional WooCommerce product list view that helps customers browse and buy faster.